Hi, Dan at Sharpening Supplies here, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Shapton Glass Stone 7 Knife Sharpening Kit, an all-in-one sharpening kit from Shapton. This is a product that we're really excited about here. It's a beautiful presentation, Shapton quality, everything you need for knife sharpening in one box. So let's see what we have here. So we open that up, and inside we've got the first tray, and here we have our stones. So we've got 3 Shapton glass stones. We've got a 25 micron, 6.7 micron, and an incredibly fine 0.44 micron for finishing. And these are the same quality Shapton glass stones that you've come to expect. They are, of course, a bit smaller. We're looking at about 6 or 7 inches by a little over an inch wide. They're actually a bit thicker than the other Shapton glass stones. That's where the 7 in the name comes from. These are 7 millimeters thick compared to the 5 millimeters of sharpening material found on the other Shapton glass stones. So these will last a bit longer, give you plenty of sharpening life. So we have our 3 stones here. And in the next tray, we have the holder. This holder, beautiful, sturdy glass with non-skid rubber feet and stops, and these stones pop very securely in here so that you can use this surface. It's not going to slide on you, and the stone is going to be very securely held. With the glass, you can use all the water that you want. Easy to clean up for this. Really a smartly thought out holder. In addition to that, we have the diamond lapping plate. Now, other lapping plates you've seen are rather large. This one is compact, like the stones, and very simple to use. There's plenty of water going over our stone. We would lay this on there, move probably in circles like that until our stone was flat. And in addition to that, they have this handy pencil, complete with pocket clip. This can be used to mark the surface of your stone prior to flattening so that you have a good way to tell when your stone is flat. And of course, with that pocket clip and the Shapton logo, you can proudly advertise your allegiance to this incredibly quality brand. All right, so this is the new Glass Stone 7 knife sharpening kit from Shapton. Again, something we're very excited to be offering. Check out the website for more information.